If you come from an African home, you probably suffer from this one thing: we don't throw stuff away. I bet you most of you have this in your compounds, in shags. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking the link and choosing to spend the next few minutes watching how I transformed this log end into an amazing coffee table with wheels. Do you know what I got from last week? Confidence. The confidence to try out new things. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, activate notifications so that next time I post a video, you get notified. So the tools I used are pretty simple. Chisel, mallet hammer. When we hit it the first time, the back sort of separated from the tree stump. The whole back just came off like a dress. Wire brush. I'm not an expert, so this is not a how-to video, but more like a how I did it video, so that you can be able to see what I did and probably get inspiration to do your own. But if you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section and I'll be more than willing to answer. I attached the wheels to the bottom of the stool. I actually wanted to use this side as the top, but for some reason I really didn't like the way that it had so many holes. I got a 60 grit sandpaper. I only have 60 and 120 with me right now, so that's what I'm going to use. So then the 120 polished the surface. Once that was done, we wiped it down with a wet cloth. And then applied sanding sealant.
Wow.
After doing the first coat of sanding sealer, we let it dry and then we lightly sanded it again. And then applied a second coat of sanding sealer. Making this took us about 2 hours in total, including sanding and sealing it. And voila, we have our coffee table. If you're serving one person, it's a table. If you're serving 2 people, it's a stool. The wizard actually has wheels. Inaitwa lift, inaitwa nini tint, inaitwa am I filming at night? Because every time I tried to film during the day, hi guys, hi. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to show you how I turned this tree stump into a beautiful coffee table. Link.